Welcome to IndusAyush. Now, let's take a look at the body fat percentage feature available under the tools. In this section, we can view the body fat percentage list, which displays the member name, height, weight, body fat percentage, and date. To add a new record, click on the New Body Fat Percentage button. In the form, first choose the gender, then enter the height and select the unit as centimeters, meters, or feet. Next, enter the weight and choose the unit as kgs or pounds. Once we enter all the values, the body fat percentage result is calculated automatically. Based on the result, we can identify the standard body fat range for both men and women, such as essential fat, athletics, fitness, average, overweight. After reviewing the result, click the Save button to add the record to the list. If we want to make changes later, click the Edit icon next to the record. Here we can update the gender, height, weight, and their units. The result will automatically recalculate based on the updated details. Finally, click Save Changes to update the record in the body fat percentage list. This feature helps members monitor their body fat percentage and maintain a healthy balance of fat and muscle for better well being.